Next up, we have the Tasca, designed by Jan Samek. This custom knife factory comes in at $615 with M398 steel and crystallized titanium handles. Big batch of crystallized titanium in this latest arrivals from CKF, although there are also some regular titanium handles for a bit of a cost savings. I think you can get this for as little as $550. Nonetheless, what we have here is a beautifully designed flipper. Let's check out that action real quick. Very snappy, very satisfying. Nice frame lock design. Kind of simple elements, but extremely, extremely detail-oriented material selection and also manufacturing quality. I've never seen a CKF that wasn't perfectly centered, that didn't flip perfectly. Their quality is really second to none. And the types of designs they make, they all kind of really appeal to me. Just a mix of like a futurism, kind of brutalism thing going on, but still never breaking the fundamentals of good knife design. If this one appeals to you, definitely pick one up while they're in stock, because like a lot of CKF stuff, we probably will never see this again.